Welcome to TALLY. TALLY is an easy-to-use platform for presenting your content in an instructor-led format, utilizing slides and a variety of questions to create an interactive presentation. What are slides? Slides enable you to incorporate content in your presentation, allowing you to present information in a format similar to a traditional presentation, such as you would in PowerPoint. In fact, you can even repurpose your slides from PowerPoint for use in TALLY. TALLY then allows you to insert a variety of question formats, which include multiple choice, true, false, open-ended, image map, and our newest format, word cloud, to encourage interaction. In TALLY, participants interact directly with your content using any smart device or computer for an engaging and interactive presentation. Meanwhile, you instantly see knowledge gaps and feedback and can react accordingly. So no more dull, silent sessions. Use TALLY today.